Hey there, it's Dan here from SensePark, and I wanted to record this video to address one question that I got from a customer, which I found really interesting. And he was asking about how to get a Slack Discord notification the moment a new video is being created in a dynamic video campaign, right? And get a link to it, okay? So I'd like to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. So let me just start by showing you here my Slack channel and the notification that I got, which is basically what I selected at least the thumbnail of the video that was created. Okay, so the customer was asking for a direct link to it the moment they would get a video. So what we're actually doing is actually getting a notification the moment the video gets created. So I'll go here into my menu and select webhooks. This is the page where I'm at right now. So I'll click on new webhook. We'll need to put a name to it. So let us put Zap Slack test. Okay. We'll need a URL here, which we'll get from Zapier. So we need to start a new SAP. Click here on Trigger and select Webhooks by Zapier. If you don't find it here, just simply type it right there. Okay. So once we are there, we'll select the event, which is catch hook. Trigger is fine. So we'll jump into test and we'll get this URL right there. So we'll copy that, go back to SensePark and paste it. So we're now creating the webhook. Okay, so now we need to deploy it by clicking on that little arrow. And as you can see, these are the events that can work as a trigger. So video edit is not there, but what we do have is video created, which is fine because whenever the video has been successfully created, that's when we want an alert. Okay, so we have that selected. I would also recommend not selecting more than one. You can actually do it, but at least it will be you'll have a cleaner workflow if you actually create a webhook for each different event, so you can know what's being done on different channels. Okay, so I'll connect my campaign. This is actually my dynamic video campaign. I already have one right here. So yep, let me just open that real quick. I'll go here to my dynamic video section. Yep. So Zapier test Slack. That's what I selected. Okay. So I can show you how a campaign is being created, but it's very simple. I can show you that by putting another link below, so you can see how it goes, and we don't extend this video more than it needs to. Okay. But I'll open it anyway. I'll click on edit. You can see that it has everything it needs. And I have a few videos already created, but since we're making a new SAP right there, whenever we try to test it, of course, it will tell us that there's nothing that has been found. Okay, so this has been connected. Let me see. No, it hasn't. So let me add the campaign. Yep. Now the campaign has been connected. Now we can actually close that way. So this is fine. There's no nothing else that we need from here. Okay. So we'll go ahead now and add a new lead. There are many ways in which you can automate this section as well. You can create forms in HubSpot. There are many things that you can do so you can actually capture the customer's information to be placed here automatically, and then the video is created. But I'll leave again that for another video for another link that I'll share down below. So we'll do this manually in this case. We can put here something like what can I do? I can put poll. So I'll put here poll at send.com and put senspark.com. Okay. So I'll put on generate videos. So this will take a minute. So let me just pause the video in the meantime. Okay, so we're back now. And as you can see, the video has been created correctly. So we're good now. So we can now jump into Zapier and then go to test trigger. Okay, and there it goes. So I can see I have a request here right there, which is the first one we got. So I can continue with this. Okay. So now it will take me to the action that we want to apply whenever we're actually capturing something that happened in our dynamic video campaign. So what we're doing right now is going for Slack. Okay. So I'm selecting this and I'll choose an event, and we can put channel actually, so we can find what we want, or I'll put actually message. Let us, okay, here it is. Send channel message. So this is the option we want. Okay, so click on continue. Of course, you'll need to connect your account if you haven't done that before. So just do it. It is very simple. Let us click on continue again. So we got a couple of options right here. So we'll select. We need to create a channel. Of course, you can do that on your own. I'm pretty sure you're already familiar with Slack by this at this time. So I'll click on channel and I'll select the one that I created, which is Dentist Zapier. Dentist. There we go. I can put any message that I want, and I'll have every single field and probably something more as an option that I can add here in the message. So I can put uh, video or new video created. Yay. And we have two options that I like. There are many, of course, but the one that I showed you at the beginning was thumbnail URL. But you can also just put one more if you want. Sorry, if you want to video link. Okay. So that will, of course, provide a link that you can manually share with someone if you want to do it another way. Instead of, you can, of course, automate this. You can connect your automation email platform and then, just automatically send the email or automatically send the LinkedIn message. You can do that however you would like. But in this case, we're just talking about Slack. Okay. So this is the type of notification that I'll get. So I can cross this out here. Send us a bot. Yes, we do need to have that. Bot name, you can have, put whatever you want there. And there are a few more options, but I'll leave this as it is. Yes, everything is good. So I'll click on continue, and I can actually now just test it. Sorry, test step. There we go. Okay, and let us see what we got here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think I did it twice. No worries. So, oh, not twice. Yes, I actually added the thumbnail and I also added the link for the video. So it seems that it was captured twice. So that's why. So again, this is what we were looking for to be able to have this notification. You can of course just make it more simple if you want. Just have a message. Hey, new video created for customer, and you can just add the email, so that way you'll have your notification. Okay. And although the question here was about Discord as well, the process is exactly the same. So this is working. We can just cross this out. But if you want here, we can go into, or let me actually just add a new step, and you'll notice that Discord is as well one of the options listed. Okay, there we go. And it works. I'm just showing you. I want to show you the whole process because it's exactly the same. But you can just look for send channel message. Okay. So the process is basically the same. There's nothing more to add to it. And yep, it is as simple as that. Okay. So let me know if you have any more questions. I'll be happy to help you.